Hey, welcome back to How to Barbecue Right. I'm Malcolm Reed. Today I've got a platter full of turkey legs for you. Now you can find turkey legs at festivals, fairs, food trucks, just about anywhere, and they're always smoked. So today I'm going to show you how I smoke turkey legs. Let's get to cooking. So the first thing we're going to do with these turkey legs is get them in a brine. And my brine recipe is really simple. It's half a cup of sugar, a quarter cup of AP seasoning, that's that salt, pepper, and garlic, and 3 bay leaves. I'm going to mix all this up with a quart of water, and then I'm going to put the turkey legs inside this big bowl and get them submerged. Add 1 more quart of water just to make sure everything's covered, and then just let them rest overnight in the fridge. You want at least 6 hours. After the brine, we're going to take them out of the solution, and then we're going to get all the moisture off of them. I'm going to place them on a drying rack, take some paper towels to help them out, just kind of dab it all dry. And we're doing this because we want the skin to turn out just perfect. We want it to golden up. We want it to be bite through. And if you get all that moisture off, it's really gonna help. So I'm starting with a little bit of olive oil cooking spray. And yes, it's adding a little bit more moisture back, but this is gonna help the skin brown up because it's a fat. It's not just a liquid. We're gonna give both sides a good spray. And then we're gonna season them. We're going to start with some AP Rub, the same seasoning that we put in the brine. Salt, pepper, garlic. It's got a little bit of herb in it to give it some flavor. And on top of that, we're going to add some BBQ Rub. Now, these are smoked turkey legs. I'm doing them barbecue style. I've got my BBQ Rub going on them, but you can put any kind of seasoning you want on turkey legs. You don't have to go real heavy. Just give them a good dose. Now we're going to flip them over. Got to get the back side of these turkey legs. Let's get our cooking spray back out. Give this side a good coat. Now we're coming with the AP Rub, followed by a little bit of BBQ Rub. Now that we have them seasoned, we're just gonna let them hang out here while the smoker comes up to temp. I'm firing up my Memphis wood fire grill today. I'm gonna run some pecan pellets on it so it's got a nice mild smoke. We're gonna start them out about 275 and hold them there so we can get the skin done. That's the important part when you're cooking poultry. Cook it a little bit higher temp so you can bite through. We don't want rubbery turkey skin. We want it to be perfect. As soon as the grill's up to temp, we're gonna get these turkey legs on. All right, our grill's up to 275. Got a little bit of that light pecan smoke going. And I'm just gonna place these turkey legs right on the smoker. There's no right or wrong way to get them on here. Put 3 or 4 on each side and spread them out to where they got good circulation. Oh, that one's got my name on it. Big dog, like that. So now all we gotta do is get the grill closed, let it do its thing. Turkey legs have been on the Memphis grill here for about 1 hour and 45 minutes. And man, they're starting to look good. We're seeing that drawback on the end. The skin's looking just right. I think it's time to kind of see what we're doing internal. The big one's running about 151, 152. We want them to go to about 175 internal. So I think we're right at that point where we're gonna start talking about what we're gonna put on them next. And what I've got is just a light coating of my vinegar barbecue sauce. You could use whatever kind of glaze you want. I don't want anything heavy though. I just want something that's gonna give the outside a little more flavor, go right with that rub, and it's gonna taste great with that smoked turkey. And I'm not really brushing them. I'm just kind of putting a light little coat on the outside. And these legs are gonna be out of this world. I'm gonna let this side set for about 5 minutes, let that sauce glaze on, then we're gonna flip them over. Do the same exact thing to the back side. Then we're gonna have some turkey legs ready to eat. Let's get this lid closed, finish them up. All right, our glaze is setting on the first side. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna roll them over a little bit. We're gonna put a little glaze on this back side. Some of the sauce actually kind of runs down on them, so you don't have to get real heavy with it. All right, turkey legs are looking good. I'm just gonna hit them with a little bit extra rub. Pretty them up just a little bit. After 5 more minutes, this backside should be glazed enough. We're gonna start rolling them back over, and then we're gonna check some internal temperatures and see what they're looking like. Turkey legs done at 175 internal in the dark meat, but they are forgiving. So if you go over a little bit, they're still gonna be juicy because we brined them. So let me get my thermopin out here. I know the big one's probably not there. Let's get about 160. So we still got a little ways to go. We're gonna keep letting them rock. All right, I let them go about another 10 minutes. Total cook time was about 2.5 hours. Oh yeah, we're hitting 180 in these small ones. That's perfect, 170, 181, 182. I think we're good to go. So we're gonna get these turkey legs off, and I just got a tray. I'm gonna take them up in here. I'll try to arrange them. And these are some fine looking turkey legs. I mean, check that out. That's beautiful. Smoked turkey legs, Memphis wood fire grill. So I just let the turkey legs hang out here for about 5 minutes on the board. I know they're still hot. And before I try one, I want to recap real quick. We put them in that brine, AP, sugar, a couple bay leaves, half gallon of water. It went overnight. Really got some flavor in the legs. Then we brought them out, dried them off real good, sprayed them with a little olive oil cooking spray. You could use whatever you want there. Hit them with some AP, hit them with some BBQ Rub, and then we put them in that pecan smoke for about 2.5 hours till they got up to 175. And if they overshot a little, that's okay. We did glaze them real lightly with a little bit of vinegar sauce towards the end, just to pretty them up, to give them a little more color and a little touch of sweet and acidity. And then we got them off the smoker and let them rest a few minutes. Now where's that big one at? He's right here. This is the one that's had my name on it. And I've been waiting to try him all day. I know he's gonna be juicy. Look, he's dripping right now. I got it all over me, I don't care. Give me another bite, that joker's good. Meat's juicy. You don't think it's juicy, you can see it running out. Smoked turkey leg, you can see we got a smoke ring going. The meat's tender, skin's perfectly bite through. Now that's just a good turkey leg. I'm gonna come at it from this side too. I mean, smoked turkey is so good. That's better than the fare right there. What I like about it, it almost takes on a ham-like texture. You get that smoke in there, you got all the spices from the barbecue. Y'all gotta try this. It's getting close to Thanksgiving. It's easy to find turkey legs this time of year. Fire up those smokers, get to cooking.